everyone, my name is Sunil, and today we have one of the persons who is going to tell you that how his journey has been and what he has done so far to learn this beautiful language. As far as my knowledge is concerned, I know that he has been a fantastic teacher for mathematics. If you want to take online classes for mathematics, so Ritesh is there, you just need to drop him a message. I am going to add his number in description so that you can get his number. So Ritesh, without wasting too much time, we must start. So I would like to know a small sort of introduction of yours.
Yeah, sure. Let me introduce myself first.
Hmm.
As everybody know, my name is Ritesh, and I've been teaching mathematics to the
Hmm.
students of class 10th, 11th, and 12th for the last 5 years.
Hmm.
Yeah, and I live in New Delhi.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Okay,
so
that's very nice. And I want to know, as you said, you are from New Delhi. How is the weather there? Actually, I'm also from there.
yeah, it's very cold here. Like in New Delhi, it's very cold.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, as we are
So,
into the
mhm,
January month, so it's
mhm,
very cold here.
mhm. If it is cold, so how do you manage? How do you do things? Do you become sluggish while doing things? Do you become
No, I
inact?
don't. No, no,
Okay.
no. It's not like that.
Hmm.
We all do have clothes, so we just put our clothes on
Mm-hmm.
and we can't just forget and leave our work because of the winter season. We
Yes.
must keep doing it.
Hmm.
Uh, yeah. So any season can't stop us. Like
Hmm. You seem to have strong dedication. Okay, so did this weather affect your daily routine? Do you still wake up the time you used to wake up before winter?
no, like my schedule has been changed. Like
Hmm.
I've just been waking up late in the night. Like
Uh-huh.
I'm just sleeping in the morning and just waking up in the afternoon. So I
Hmm.
just want to change it
All right.
and I
Hmm.
am just working upon it.
So what's your favorite weather?
Winter season is my favorite weather.
Okay, why is it so?
Because in summer, if you just put your clothes on and just put uh, put hair product in your hair and you
Hmm.
just go out in the sun, then
Hmm.
it will all be messed in
Hmm.
the till the evening. But
Right.
it does not happen in winter season. Like
Hmm.
as you go in the winter season in the morning, and you'll just come into the home as you go in the morning. Right. I'm saying it does not affect the personality, overall appearance. So
Okay,
that's
I got
why
it.
I like
I
this
got
winter season.
it. Hmm. So we do not have any tanning issues. This is what you are trying to say.
Sorry.
I'm saying we do not have any tanning issues. Like if we are in the sun, it will not affect our
Hmm.
skin very much. And
Yeah.
needless to say, in winter, sun does not shine very often. And we all know that in Delhi,
Hmm.
the sun has not shone almost for 1 week, I guess.
Hmm. Yeah. It is one of the ways, one of the things that you
Hmm.
can say. It is
Okay.
also the reason.
Okay. Do you see any drawbacks of this season?
Drawbacks, so many accidents happen in winter season
Oh
just
yes,
because
right.
of the foggy
Mm-hmm.
fog in the fog in the atmosphere.
Hmm.
Yeah, but it's overall good.
Hmm.
Like you do not sweat so much
Hmm.
as you do in the summer season. So yeah.
Okay, yes. And one more thing is here that days are very short and people go to bed very early. I guess
Mm,
after 9 o'clock, streets are deserted. You are not going to find people. Another thing is that if you want to eat anything after 10 at night, it is going to be out of the question. You can only go for takeaway or you can get it delivered, the food you want to have. Else You will not get any shops open.
Yeah, this is not just a problem, I can say, in my opinion or
Mm,
according to me.
mm,
It's not a problem. Whether
mm,
you want to just take away the food from any restaurant or just have it
mm,
there,
mm,
uh, you should be just uh, okay with both the things. Like it should not be so hamper to you.
mm,
It should not hamper to you so much.
mm.
So
Okay, another thing is that in Delhi, the sun is not shining. So the problem is that we are not able to get our clothes dried. Our clothes are still wet.
hmm, yeah, this is the problem, I can
Mm.
say. We
Okay,
can't
so
deny.
now you contemplate it a problem. All right.
Yeah, it's a problem, but
Mm,
uh, we have to find the solution for it. Like we can't just blame anybody for the sun if it is not just rising in the
mm,
winter season. So we have to find the solution. This is only the thing that we can do. We have to just use the washing machine as everybody has been
mm,
using, must have been using.
mm.
Yeah.
So you're saying that we need to have a washing machine to dry our clothes.
Yes, some negatives as well. Like winter
Mm,
has some negative as well and positive as well
right.
as the summer season.
Mm.
Anything
So,
can't be anything in the world
mm,
can't have just positive things.
right.
Like every coin has two sides.
Mm.
So this is the thing for everything, for all the aspects of life.
Yes, I concur with that. And why is summer not your favorite?
Summer. No,
Mm.
it's not like that. Summer is not my favorite season.
Why it is the least favorite then?
Because of the sweat and hot, hot,
Mm,
everything just gets messed up in summer season. If you
mm,
just go out to chill with your friends and it is so uh, hot in the summer.
mm,
So this is the reason you can say in sun.
mm. So in Delhi there are so many places. So which is your go-to place? Which place you like to hang out with your friends or alone you love to go to?
Mm. Connaught Place, you can say Connaught Place, Palika Bazaar Market.
Mm-hmm.
There is a park near to the market, and you can just shop with your friends in the Palika Bazaar Market, as
Mm,
everybody do, and
mm.
you can just hang around in the park as well. So that's a good place.
Okay, why did you choose only Connaught Place? Why didn't you choose other places? What are the reasons?
Mm, because of the market
Mm,
and people and so many restaurants
mm,
and food outlets are there. So this
mm.
is the reason.
All right. So, what do you think Delhi is highly known for? What are things according to you?
Delhi is known for, according to me, for its pollution,
Uh-huh.
for its pollution and so many cars, bikes
Mm,
on the roads,
mm,
and uh, and for the crime as well.
mm. Okay. Do you love living in Delhi or do you want to change it?
Yeah, I want to change it. I want to go to Mumbai
Mm.
to live. Yeah.
Okay. Do you feel Mumbai is spacious? You are not going to find pollution. You are not going to find traffic there.
No, it's not just about traffic and all.
Mm,
Crime rate is very less in Mumbai,
mm,
and women safety and police is good there.
mm,
So this is the reason I prefer to live in Mumbai.
mm. So, don't you feel it's going to be pricey to live in Mumbai? How would you manage? In Delhi, you can survive so easily, but in going
Hmm.
in Mumbai can be like a hair in the butter. How would you manage?
It will not be so pricey and so costly because it's a part of India, so
Mm-hmm.
it won't be so costly and so expensive.
Mm,
Uh, we have to find the solution for the problem. whatever the problem we feel that, like if we
Mm,
want to just live in the better place, whether it's a part of India or out of
mm,
India, abroad, we have to find the solution for the problem. Like if costly, expensive things are the problem, then we need to just increase our income. So
mm,
I'm gonna increase my income and just live there.
mhm. Yes, you have made an interesting point. Okay, as you have been saying that we should look for the solutions rather than discussing the problems. So why are you planning to leave Delhi? Why don't you live here and why don't you bring that change that you have been talking about? What kind of changes would you bring to decrease the pollution?
It's not just about one person or one man that
Hmm.
he or she can do to
Mm-hmm.
revolutionize or change the Delhi environment. It's not just
Hmm.
about me
Hmm.
because crime rate, it's a thing that a government has to do.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you understand by government? I guess government is all about people. And if you want to see the change, you have to bring that change by yourself first. If you want others to change, it will never ever happen. You have to take the initiative.
Mhm.
If you do something good for the society, you will become an inspiration to so many people. He does this, we
Yeah.
should also follow. So please don't blame others if you want to bring something. Being a teacher, you need to have some
Mhm.
pragmatic approaches. If you have some pragmatic approaches, everything is viable. Things will not be this much complicated as you have seen them. Okay, what kind of things you love to teach to your children when it comes to social values?
Social values like humanity and being
Uh-huh.
good, being nice, and
Mm,
not just think about yourself, think about other people as well for the
mm,
overall betterment of the society.
right. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, that's very nice to know. Okay, if any student is uninterested in learning mathematics, what are the methods
Mhm.
you bring to the table for that student where he can find that particular thing so interesting?
Hmm. Very interesting question you asked.
Hmm.
So I'm gonna just do one thing. I'm gonna just make him or her realize that mathematics is a language of the environment, language of the world, and it is every it is everywhere. Like uh, I'm gonna enable the like visualize the mathematics into their life. Like
Hmm.
I'm gonna tell the real life application
Hmm.
so that they can just get interested to study this subject if
Hmm.
they have fear about it.
Okay. So, is there any other subject you feel is going to help students very much in their future?
Yes, business management, like
Hmm.
all the all the things that is uh, taught in MBA,
Mm-hmm.
business management, commerce subject,
Hmm.
English, mathematics.
Hmm.
These are all the practical subjects.
Hmm.
You can use all these subjects and study all these subjects to change your life. Like you can be a
Hmm.
rich after just using all these subjects.
Right. Or if you have some students who are poor at studies, and what are the methods you tell them to make them a little bit intelligent or how they can enrich their level in mathematics?
Okay, good question. First,
Hmm.
I'm gonna do one thing. I'm gonna just check what is the level of the student, where he or she is at right now,
Hmm.
and does he not, why does she not like the subject mathematics.
Hmm.
So I'm gonna do this, and then I'll think about the solution according to them. Like
Hmm.
every solution is personalized if we talk about.
All right. Yes. If I meet your students, or if I ask them that is Ritesh lenient or stringent, what can be their answers?
They'll say medium.
Okay, you are both. When you feel you need to
Mhm.
be, you need to reprimand them, you do that, and when you need
Mhm.
to adore them, you do the same. That is a quality
Yeah,
of a teacher. If you want to
yeah,
be a teacher, you need to have this thinking.
yeah. It must be there. Like you can't be just strict all the time, and you can't just be lenient all the time. You need to be lenient and strict according to the situation and according to the time
Hmm,
required.
hmm,
So you need to have a balance between both the things.
yes. And what do you like very much in your students? What kind of students you want to come to you?
Who ask questions, so many questions, who have so many doubts.
Hmm,
Students who are very curious about knowing the things.
hmm.
I love those students very much.
Okay, you like them. All right. And how do you entertain yourself?
Entertain. I just listen to music
Uh-huh.
and yeah, and get the entertainment from the YouTube, like not of the comedian, like all the things,
Hmm.
but you can say learning as well as entertaining.
Okay. Yes, amazing.
Yeah,
Okay, so the last question is how do you learn this language? What are the methods? And now I can see that you are speaking confidently and things are going pretty well.
yeah. I've been trying to learn. I've been learning this language since 2017,
Hmm.
and everything I have learned so far is from YouTube itself. And
Hmm.
there is a book called R. Gupta English Grammar.
Hmm.
I used this book in my 10th class in 2017.
Hmm.
Yeah, so
Okay, that,
I've just been learning all the things, all complete English, spoken English from YouTube itself.
hmm. And what about your speaking part? How do you take care of that?
I just download any app from Play Store like Open Talk or any free app, and I just call to the people and just talk to them. I
Yes.
just keep doing it like uh, I keep talking to people like for 25 minutes, one hour, 30 minutes. So I do not let any chance go from my hand.
Hmm.
Yeah, this is the thing that I do.
Okay. Yes, that's good. And it has also reminded me of one thing. The best things in life are for free. When we get something for free, that tastes amazing.
Yeah, this is also the thing like uh, free things, freebies
Hmm.
are very preferable to people. But
Yeah.
everything has a price.
Hmm.
I think everything has a price. Like if you are just getting anything for
Hmm.
free, then it's not free. Either you are the product or you are paying your time to that thing.
Hmm. Yes, well said. And it has a deep meaning in it.
Yeah.
Yes. All right, Ritesh, I really enjoyed this time with you. I hope you
Mm.
also did so.
Yeah, I have also enjoyed so much talking to you.
All right.
So thank you so much.
Okay, so take care.